Hi everybody, Jig Time y'all. Welcome back to another video. I'm here with a big announcement. I have 84 subscribers as of today, which is April 13th, 2023. When I reach 100 subscribers, I'm going to have a big giveaway. It's for diamond painting stuff. I'm going to have one for a male and one for a female. I will have pictures of the actual diamond paintings, what they look like when they're done, and they're drilled all out at the end of the video for male and female. And I'm going to show you the stuff that comes with it as well, because I'm throwing other things in with it besides the diamond paintings. Now, the diamond paintings themselves come with a little tray, a drill pen, a little piece of glue, and the drills that correspond with the painting. They have codes or letters or symbols that match up with the color that go on the painting. This is just for people that do it and like to do it, or if you're interested in getting into it to see if you like it or not, this is your chance. I will pay for the shipping. All you have to do is subscribe to the channel, leave a comment below in this video saying, hey, I would like to be in the giveaway, and be in the continental United States or Alaska or Hawaii. So if you're in Alaska, Hawaii, or the continental United States, it's open to you. Sorry I can't ship international at this time. Sorry about that. But anybody in the continental United States or Alaska, Hawaii, I will ship to you for free. All you have to do is comment below that you like me in the giveaway. Be subscribed to the channel, and I will give a random giveaway. Some things that you'll be included in, besides getting 3 diamond paintings of random sizes, you'll be getting some sealer. Comes in a little bottle. Now, the stuff I'm showing you may be different colors or different brands from what I'm actually getting, because I don't actually have this stuff yet. I've ordered it, but it's not in yet. But this is the stuff that we have on hand that we use. But it comes in this little spongy thing, and it has a little hole in the middle of it where the actual glue comes out of, and you sponge onto your painting to seal it when you're done, and it helps seal in the drills so that they don't fall off your painting. And it will be, I think it's 120 milliliters, so it will do you a few paintings. You will also get 20 Ziploc bags. You'll get a pair of tweezers, not this particular pair, but you will get a pair of tweezers. You will get some glue, extra glue, because we know one little square of glue that they give you with the painting is not enough to do the whole painting. It's not. So you'll get some extra glue. You will get 3 or 4 drill pens that you actually put the glue in, and then you stick it on your drills, and then you put it on your painting. And they have the different tips on the ends for more drills, 3, 5, 9, whatever, 6, whatever they are. They're just standard ones. Usually you get one of these without the funny tip on the end. You just get the standard tip, the one, when you get a painting. But these have the different ends on them. You will also get some rubber, little foamy rubber things that go on these. They stick on there so that they're easier to grip and they're softer. You will get, I think you get 4 of these. You'll get another little tray. You'll get one with your diamond painting. You'll get another one of these, plus you'll get a larger one. I don't know how big the larger one is, but it is different, and it's square, and it'll be larger than this, which is nice. You'll also get some stickers. Some stickers that go on your box. They go on the little boxes to label your colors as to what number or symbol or whatever that the colored drills are, so you know to put. And these come out. These come out of there, and they open up. so that you can put your drills in, and they close tight, and they go back in there, close, so they don't fly out all over the place. You'll also be receiving a roller, so when you're done with your Dremel, or when you're done with your diamond painting, you roll it so that the drills stick on really well, and you'll be able to get one of these. Now, the one that I ordered says it's plastic and rubber, so I don't know if this red part is rubber and the handle is plastic, or if the whole thing's plastic. I don't know. It just says rubber and plastic. But this one here is all plastic. But the one that I ordered says rubber and plastic. So maybe this little red part here is rubber, maybe. I don't know. I'll have to wait and see. You'll also be getting 20 sheets. These sheets here, they're just like wax paper sheets, sort of. And what you do is you take off the clear sheet off your diamond painting, and you put these on. And what you do is, instead of keep ripping off that clear sheet off of your painting, you take these off piece by piece, and you work section by section on your diamond painting, and you work section by section so that you can work with it more easily, instead of working with that clear sheet all the time and getting it in the way, and it gets you really bothersome. But you'll get 20 of these, 20 of these little sheets. You get 20 of these, and you'll get the paintings. But that you'll get all of that in a kit. The males will get all of that and 3 paintings, and the females will get all of that and 3 paintings. These here are the diamond paintings I have selected for the males. The eagle with flag is 30 by 40 centimeters. The deer is 20 by 30 centimeters. The truck is 20 by 30 centimeters. And these are the diamond paintings that I have selected for the females. The dream catcher is 30 by 40 centimeters. The seascape is 20 by 30 centimeters. The heart is 30 by 30 centimeters. So comment down below, and I will come back to this video when I've reached 100 subscribers, and I will see who has commented below. Make sure you live in the continental United States, or Alaska or Hawaii, and make sure that you are subscribed to this channel. And I'll do a random draw and give them away to the male and the female that have been randomly selected. And good luck to everybody. And as always, catch you on the flip side. Good luck.